Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jay, and I'm back again with another video. Cheers to consistency, okay? If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be showing you guys just a close-up of the products that I will be using. I will go more into detail as I use each item, but what I generally start with is washing my face. This is a prescription face wash, which is why I won't include the details for that, but I do just massage that into my face for about 10 to 20 seconds just to make sure I don't dry my skin out. If I was using CeraVe, and I highly recommend that you do this as well, make sure you massage it in for about 60 seconds with just your fingertips, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face out. Make sure I get all the product off my face, get it completely clean. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my fresh black tea kombucha essence. I drop that directly onto my face. I don't touch the bottle to my face. I just put the drops directly on my face because I feel like cotton pads and cotton balls soak up too much of the product, and I end up using a lot more rather than just dropping it onto my face. And then I gently massage that into my face. You can either tap or just kind of gently rub it in. Put on as much as you like, just as long as you don't overdo it. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Delish Condish Bamboo Ginseng Toner. I absolutely love this. It's very calming on my face. The fact that it is a spray, absolutely love that for me. It makes my life so much easier. So I just do maybe 2 or 3 spritz, just depending on my mood, and I'll spray that onto my face, and then I will pat that in. I absolutely swear by this toner, and I will be repurchasing once I am through with this bottle. I absolutely love it. So, just take your time. You don't have to rush. Think of your skincare as just time to relax. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my hyaluronic acid. I do use the COSRX snail mucin. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And again, just directly onto my face. Don't touch the bottle onto my face. And I use about 2 pumps, and I just massage that gently into my face. If your skin is dry between steps, you can just spray just a little bit of water on your face. I have a spray bottle that just has plain water in it, and that works perfectly fine just to make sure my skin is moist and damp between steps. And then I go in with my CeraVe Retinol Resurfacing Serum. So I go in, just a small amount is absolutely enough, and just massage that into my skin. I was watching Criminal Minds and I was trying not to look too hard at the screen, but just massage that into your face. If you are going to be using something like retinol or an AHA or BHA, make sure that you use sunscreen like during the daytime. You don't want to scorch your skin. And then I'm going to go in with my CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing cream, and it does have 30 SPF in it, and I use about 3 fingers worth because you want to cover your face, your ears, as well as your neck. So sister, you are going to have to rub this into your face, okay? Like your life depends on it. So you are going to rub it in and rub it in and rub it in and rub it in, and just when you think it's enough, you're gonna keep on going, because you want to make sure that you don't, one, mistake it for a product that's going to leave cast on your face because you didn't rub it in enough, and 2, you want to make sure that your face and your ears and your neck are completely covered. It is summertime now, and I mean, you should be wearing sunscreen all year round, but more so especially during the summer. You really want to protect your skin. If you've been working on hyperpigmentation, sunscreen is your best friend, because no matter what products you use, if you don't use sunscreen, you've basically kind of wasted your time. So just make sure that you rub that in. I had to take a couple breaks because, Henny, it was a lot. I was like, oh my gosh, it's giving ghost. These girls are not going to believe me when I tell them that this doesn't leave a cast, but I promise you, you will see in a little bit, it really doesn't leave a cast on my face at all. And then the very last step will be my meltdown oil from Bloom. It is an acne facial oil. It is cruelty free and vegan friendly, and the company is woman founded. It does have a very essential oil smell to it, so if you're sensitive to that, just keep that in mind. But I absolutely love this for both daytime and nighttime. You really only need one little pump
You don't need to add more. It is enough for your entire face. This is just something that I personally like to add both day and night. I know it's not necessary during the daytime, but like I said, this is just personal preference at this point. And then the last but certainly not least step is going to be making sure I put on chapstick. Nobody likes dry lips. It's not cute. This is probably my favorite chapstick ever. I love the fresh ones, and I also love the Sol de Janeiro. They have a lip balm as well.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys found it helpful if you're on the market for some new products. I'm always going to say the same thing. Do your research as much as you possibly can, especially if you have sensitive, acne-prone skin. Make sure you do your research on products beforehand. Let me know in the comments below if you use any of the products that I do, how you use them. Also, let me know your AM skincare routine. Put me on. I love being put on game. I'm always saying this. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.